Hello students, welcome to Academic Fosters. In this video, I'll discuss Chapter 9, that is Sports, of SOF International General Knowledge Olympiad Workbook. I'll share the correct answers along with reasoning, logic or facts. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with our other videos. And if you like the content, share it with your friends and classmates. So let's start with the video. Question number 1. Which of the following cricket grounds is known as the Mecca of cricket? A. Lord's Cricket Ground, England. B. Adelaide Oval, Australia. C. Brisbane Cricket Ground, Australia. D. Barabati Stadium, Odisha. And the correct answer is A. Lord's Cricket Ground, England. Makkah is a city in Saudi Arabia and is Islam's holiest city, as it is the birthplace of the Prophet Muhammad, the founder of Islam. For hardcore cricket lovers, cricket is not just a game or sports, but a religion. Lord's Cricket Ground was the first official built ground for the game of cricket and is home to the world's oldest sporting museum too. In this context, these two are compared and Lord's is referred as Mecca of cricket. Question number 2. Match column 1 with column 2 and select the correct options from the given codes as you see on the screen. The correct answer is A. MCA International Cricket Centre serves as the home stadium for the Maharashtra cricket team, including headquarters for the Maharashtra Cricket Association. D.Y. Patil Stadium is a cricket and football stadium located at D.Y. Patil campus in Navi Mumbai. The stadium also has other facilities including tennis hard courts, indoor badminton courts and an Olympic-sized swimming pool. Moin-ul-Haq Stadium is located in Patna, Bihar. It is used for cricket and association football and is the home ground of our Ranji team. Located in Delhi, Firoz Shah Kotla Stadium is the second oldest international cricket stadium still functional in India after the Eden Gardens in Kolkata. On 12 September 2019, the stadium was renamed as Arun Jaitley Stadium in memory of former Finance Minister and former DDCA President Mr. Arun Jaitley. Question number 3. Which of the following is not a sports brand? The options are on your screen. The correct answer is D. Longines is a Swiss luxury watchmaker, while Spalding is an American sports equipment manufacturing company associated with various sports such as basketball, baseball, and football. Canterbury is a New Zealand sports equipment manufacturing company focused on rugby and football, while Fila is a sportswear manufacturer that designs shoes and apparel. Question number 4 and 5 are related to each other. Direction. Look at the given picture of basketball court and answer the questions 4 and 5. Question number 4. Identify the center circle from the given picture. The correct answer is A. 1. Also known as jump circle. The center circle in basketball is the circle located at the middle of the court on the mid-court line used to put the ball into play. The center circle has a 3.6 meter diameter. Moving on to question number 5. Identify the free throw line from the given picture. The correct answer is C. 8. The free throw line is the mark within free throw circle at which a player must stand when shooting free throws. The free throw circle is the same size as the center circle and the line is marked 4.6 meter from the backboard. Question number 6. The 2016 UEFA Euro was the 15th edition of European Championship. Which team was the winner of UEFA Euro 2016? The correct answer is C. Portugal. The final match was played in Paris on 10th of July 2016 between Portugal and France. Regular time ended with none of the teams scoring a goal. Hence, match proceeded into extra time. The substitute player, Eder, scored a goal for Portugal and they won 1-0. Question number 7. Taekwondo is a Korean martial art. In American Taekwondo Association, how many degrees of black belts are there? A. 5, B. 7, C. 9 or D. 11? The correct answer is C. 9. ATA Martial Arts, formerly known as the American Taekwondo Association, uses 2 series colored belt system. There are 18 attainable belt levels in total, 9 in each series. Progressing through the ranks require years of training and the mastery of number of forms. The black belt levels have 9 degrees, each one with their own specified forms, with each form containing 81 moves for the first degree and up to 99 moves for the first degree black belt. Unlike the previous belt levels, black belts do not have a half rank. Question number 8. What is the name of the gymnastic equipment shown in the given picture? A. Spring bars, B. Split level bars, C. Parallel bars or D. Uneven parallel bars? The correct answer is D. Uneven parallel bars. Now, uneven parallel bars, also called asymmetrical parallel bars, are used in women's gymnastic competition. The length and construction of this equipment is same as for the parallel bars used in the men's gymnastic. The bars are placed at a different height and widths that allow a great variety of movement to the gymnast. Question number 9. Which one of the following was the official logo of UEFA Euro Cup 2016? The correct answer is B. UEFA Euro Cup 2016 was the 15th UEFA European Championship edition and was held in France. The official logo was unveiled on 26th of June 2013 and the design was based on the theme celebrating the art of football. The design was aimed to encapture both the artistic theme and the identity of the host nation. The logo depicts the Henri Delnoy trophy with the blue, white and red colors of the French flag, surrounded by a mixture of shapes and lines representing different artistic movement and football elements. Question number 10. Which 2 countries co-hosted the ICC Cricket World Cup held in February and March 2015? A. India and Pakistan, B. England and Scotland, C. South Africa and Zimbabwe, or D. Australia and New Zealand? The correct answer is D. Australia and New Zealand. The 2015 ICC Cricket World Cup was the 11th Cricket World Cup and was jointly hosted by Australia and New Zealand. Half the games were played in each of Australia and New Zealand, with the final held at the Melbourne Cricket Ground. The final was between the co-hosts Australia and New Zealand and was won by Australia. Australia and New Zealand last jointly hosted the World Cup in 1992. Question number 11. Hopman Cup is a hardcore tennis tournament held every year in Australia. Which one of the following countries won the 2017 title? A. Germany, B. Belgium, C. France, D. USA. The correct answer is C. France. It was the 29th edition of the Hopman Cup, and in the final, France defeated United States to win its second title. For your information, the Hopman Cup was named in honor of one of Australia's greatest tennis players and coaches, Harry Hopman. As a player, he won 7 Grand Slam doubles and mixed double titles. And unlike other major international team tennis tournaments such as the Davis Cup and the Fed Cup, which are gender specific, the Hopman Cup is a mixed competition in which male and female players are on combined teams and represent their countries. The event ran for 31 years from 1989 to 2019 and was held in Perth, Australia every year. The event is set to be restored to the calendar in 2022. However, it may happen at a different venue this time. Question number 12. Which country won the 2016 Men's Hockey Junior World Cup in the final match played at Major Dhyan Chand Stadium in Lucknow? A. Belgium, B. Germany, C. India, D. Pakistan. The correct answer is C. India. India was the host nation and the tournament was held in Lucknow from 8th to 18th of December 2016. A total of 16 teams competed for the title. India defeated Belgium by 2-1 in the finals, winning the title for the second time. Question number 13. How many players are there in each team in water polo? The correct answer is B. 7. Now, water polo is a competitive team sports played between two teams of 7 players each, out of which 6 are field players and 1 goalkeeper. And excluding the goalkeeper, each player can participate in both offensive and defensive roles. Water polo is usually played in all deep pool so that the players cannot touch the bottom. Teamwork, tactical thinking and awareness are key aspects of this game. Question number 14. Who among the following is the para swimmer crowned as the Junior World Champion in the year 2015? He won 8 medals at the IWAS Under 23 World Games. The correct answer is C. Niranjan Mukundan. Bengaluru para swimmer Niranjan Mukundan was crowned as the Junior World Champion in the year 2015. He won 8 medals, including 3 golds in IWAS Under 23 World Games in Prague, Czech Republic. Niranjan's effort saw him win gold medals in 200 meter freestyle, 50 meters butterfly and 50 meter breaststrokes, silver in 100 meters fly and 50 meters freestyle, as also bronze in 100-meter freestyle, 100 meters breaststroke, and 100-meter backstroke event. Question number 15. The BCCI awards are annual cricket awards given by the BCCI to honor the best Indian international and domestic cricketer of the past year. Who among the following was honored with the Madhav Rao Scindia Award for being the highest scorer in Ranji Trophy 2015-16? The correct answer is A. In 2015-16, Shreyas Santosh Iyer was awarded the Madhav Rao Scindia Award for the most runs in the Ranji Trophy. He scored a total of 1,321 runs. He was also the captain of Delhi Capital team in Indian Premier League in the 2020 edition. Question number 16. In January 2017, who among the following was inducted into Legends Club Hall of Fame in Mumbai? A. Sunil Gavaskar, B. Kapil Dev, C. Sachin Tendulkar, D. Rahul Dravid. The correct answer is B. Kapil Dev. Kapil Dev was inducted Hall of Fame by former India's captain Ajit Wadekar, Sunil Gavaskar, and Nari Contractor at the Cricket Club of India. He is considered as one of country's greatest all-rounder. India received its first World Cup in 1983 under the captaincy of Kapil Dev. Question number 17. Who among the following cricketers was the ambassador of ICC Cricket World Cup 2015? The pictures are on your screen. The correct answer is D. Sachin Tendulkar. Sachin Tendulkar promoted and supported ICC tournament which were held in Australia and New Zealand from February 14th to March 29, 2015. It was the second successive time that he was appointed as an ambassador after he fulfilled the role in the previous event, which was co-hosted by Bangladesh, India and Sri Lanka in 2011. Question number 18. Johan Cruyff, a football legend, passed away in Barcelona. He was one of the most famous exponents of the football philosophy known as total football. Which of the following countries did he belong to? A. Spain, B. Holland, C. Ireland, D. England. The correct answer is B. Holland. Johan Cruyff was a Dutch professional football player and coach and was one of the most influential figures in football history. He started his career at the Ajax Soccer Club when he was 10 years old. He has won numerous honors, including European Footballer of the Year for the year 1971, 73 and 74. Question number 19. Tarun Kona and Elvin Francis won the 2016 Peru International Series by defeating the top-seeded Mexican pair Job Castillo and Lino Munoz in the final at Lima, Peru. Which sports are they associated with? A. Lawn tennis, B. Table tennis, C. Badminton, D. Archery. The correct answer is C. Badminton. Both Tarun Kona and Elvin Francis are associated with badminton. The Indian duo defeated Mexican pair by scoring 21-8 and 21-12 in the final. They have also won the men's double title at the 2017 Uganda International Badminton Tournament by defeating the Mauritius pair. Question number 20. Identify the yoga asana shown in the given picture. The picture and options are on your screen. The correct answer is C, Navasana. Navasana is also called as the complete boat pose. It is a compact pose in which you draw everything towards your center. It helps to tone and strengthen core, abdominal muscle, improves balance and digestion, aids in stress relief, and most important, improves confidence. Question number 21. Which of the following was the 2010 Winter Olympics mascot Miga? And the correct answer is B. The picture shown as an option B is Miga, a sea bear, a mythical animal which is partly a killer whale and partly a Kermode bear. Miga and Quachi were the official mascots of 2010 Winter Olympics. For your information, picture shown in A is Quachi. The Vancouver game mascots were creatures inspired by the fauna and tales of the First Nations on the west coast of Canada. Question number 22. Which of these water sports is not included in the Summer Olympics? The options are on your screen. And the correct answer is B, surfing. Surfing was not a part of Olympics earlier. However, its inclusion was approved by International Olympic Committee in 2016 and surfing was added an additional sports in the year 2020 by Tokyo Organizing Committee in Japan. It was proposed to bring more youthful and vibrant events and culture into Olympics. Question number 23. Which of the following was the 2016 Rio Olympic sign for diving? The options are on your screen. And the correct answer is B. Diving is the sports of jumping or falling into the water from a platform or a springboard, usually while performing acrobatics. It was one of the 4 aquatic sports at the Games, along with swimming, water polo, and synchronized swimming. Chinese athletes dominated this particular event. Question number 24. Physical ability which enables a person to rapidly change body position and direction in a precise manner is called A, speed, B, balance, C, coordination, D, agility. The correct answer is D, agility. Agility in the body can be influenced by balancing, strength, skill, and coordination. When a person is agile, it means he or she is moving in a best position to take action and respond to what is going around him. Agility is one of the key components of fitness. Question number 25. Who was the first president of the Indian Olympic Association? The options are on your screen. And the correct answer is A, Sir Dorabji Tata. Dorabji Tata was an Indian businessman and plays an important role in history and development of Tata Group. His love for sports reflected through his charitable activities. In 1919, he facilitated 4 athletes and 2 wrestlers to participate in the Antwerp Games. And as president of Indian Olympic Council, he financed the Indian contingent to the 1924 Paris Olympiad. Question number 26. Water polo is a team water sports. The game consists of 4 quarters in which the 2 teams attempt to score goals by throwing the ball into their opponent's goal. What is the dominant color of water polo ball used in official games? A, yellow, B blue, C black, D white. The correct answer is A yellow. The ball used in water polo is usually characterized by a bright yellow color. Ball weight is around 400 to 450 grams and it comes in two main sizes, a size 5 for men and 4 for women. Smaller balls are sometimes used by juniors for mini polo and are often colored green. Question number 27. The 2018 Commonwealth Games will be held on the Gold Coast, Queensland, Australia between 4th and 15th April 2018. Which of the following is the official mascot of 2018 Commonwealth Games? The options are available on the screen and the correct answer is D. Official mascot for Gold Coast 2018 Commonwealth Game was Borobi. Borobi was a male koala with blue fur and unusual marking on his paw. The Borobi is based on a character submitted by Marilyn Crone, the winner of GC 2018 mascot design competition. Question number 28. Which of the following cricket players appeared in a PETA advertisement promoting vegetarianism in year 2000? The options are on your screen and the correct answer is B. Anil Kumble. People for Ethical Treatment of Animals, better known as PETA, shot an advertisement in the year 2000 featuring international cricket player Anil Kumble. He was holding a bat that reads "Go Wedge" and the ad was shot at the Lords, the world-renowned cricket ground. Question number 29. Which of the following is one of the 5 principles of yoga by Sivananda? The options are available on your screen and the correct answer is C. Savasana, which means proper relaxation. And if we talk about other 4 principles, that are asana, which means proper exercise, pranayama, which means proper breathing, Vedanta and Dhyana, that is positive thinking and meditation. Sivananda Yoga is a type of yoga that is based on the teaching of Swami Sivananda, which focuses on the health and physical well-being. The final question of the chapter, question number 30. A good training method for developing speed is A. Continuous training, B. Repetition training, C. Interval training, D. None of these. The correct answer is C. Interval training. Interval training is used by athletes to build fitness. It leads to many physiological changes, including an increase in cardiovascular efficiency as well as increased tolerance to build up of lactic acid. And these changes result in improved performance, greater speed and endurance. For instance, a runner would simply increase and decrease pace at will. The interval training works both for the aerobic and the anaerobic system. This is the end of chapter 9. Thank you for staying with me and I hope the video was of help to you. If you want me to cover any specific question of SOF International General Knowledge Olympiad Workbook, you can write the chapter number and question number in comment section below and I'll revert to you at the earliest. The video for chapter 12 will be uploaded shortly. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to the channel to stay updated with other videos.